It's a beautiful day in the upstate of South Carolina. I'm on my way to 755 Pack Mountain Ridge Road, where Micah, Kim, and I are hosting an open house on Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. As I drive toward Pack Mountain Ridge, I'm leaving all the hustle bustle and traffic of the city and heading toward the country, which is very relaxing. You definitely have to check out the scenic views on Pack Mountain Ridge Road. Check out the lovely view from the back of the house. You have extensive sidewalks to wrap around the back of the house, the driveway, and look at the lovely home. So I hope that you can enjoy the drive here to 755 Pack Mountain Road on Sunday. Micah and I would love to see you and welcome you into this lovely home.